Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, every house should have a welcome sign. Well, let me show you how you can make this hello sign to make your guests feel extra special. The materials and tools you'll need to complete the task are a sheet of paper with the printed message of your choice, painter's tape, a laminated pine plank 90 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 21 millimeters thick, Phillips head screws 60 mils by 3.5 millimeters in diameter, one spool of polyester string. The rest of the tools required are a hammer, a pencil, and D-rings if you'd like to hang your message up on the wall. Print your message on the sheet of paper and stick to the board. Using a pencil, mark where each of the screws will go. Make an initial hole at each of these points using a nail and hammer. Remove the sheet of paper and insert the Phillips head screws on the marks. Screw them 1/4 of the way in. Make sure that they're all the same height. For each letter, choose a screw that will be the start and end point for weaving. Attach the string to the screw with a double knot. Pull the string taut to the next screw, wind the string around it, and do the same on the next screw, and continue until the start. Fill the inside of the letter with a zigzag pattern and return to the starting screw. Close the weave by making another knot. And there you go, it is a welcome sign that you can make in your own time. You can change up the color of the backboard, maybe even the color of the screws or strings. Get that personal touch. You can decide on how you'd like to finish this one. Well, the products used in this insert are available at your local Builders or online. Well, for more inserts like this, all you need to do is click on our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.